Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Pastel grey. Okay, Fiat 500X. It's a 1.4 multi-air pop star. It's Euro 6 stop start. It's £3,995. It's done 97,000 miles. Cam belt and water pump replaced at 71,000 miles. Just been serviced. Special order art grey. Got pretty good service history. It's got a dynamic safety pack plus, 18-inch wheels, comfort pack, rear privacy glass. It's got lane departure warning system. Got Bluetooth media player, space saver spare wheel, keyless entry. Those 18-inch wheels look good. Art grey, the pastel colour really suits this car. See there, it's got rear park sensors. £3,995. Paintwork's all in good condition. Alloy wheels are nice. It's not covered in stone chips. It's a nice clean car actually. Just taking this in part exchange. I think we have some mats for it. They're just being cleaned. Nice multi-function steering wheel. It's got a reverse camera, part of the comfort pack or packet that it's got. Lane departure warning. Good spec little car actually. 1.4 petrol. Drives really well. ULEZ compliant. Euro 6. Just been serviced. Got service history. Reverse cameras up underneath there, nice and clean, cleaning the boot. Space saver spare wheel, jack wheel brace, all present and correct. Yeah, with the privacy glass, factory fitted, and those 18-inch wheels, and the other extras it's got, makes a nice car. It's an opening edition 500X. Front fog lamps, daytime running lights, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric lumbar adjustment on the driver's seat, keyless entry, keyless start. Multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, nice reverse camera, very nice little car that for £3,995. Looks very modern. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. that's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, and along with 2,500 other videos, you can thumb through those that we've produced over the last couple of years. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.